I'm not going to close this since I don't want to tell that prompt no 4 more times. So I'm just going to go to File, then Open, and I'll open up the new file right on top of this one. And this time I want Sample 3 Reverb. So select that and press Open. Okay, for this sample I'm going to show you how to add reverb. That stands for reverberations. It's the lingering sound you hear when you're talking in different kinds of rooms or environments. This is normally what I would call an echo, though in sound editing an echo is a little bit different. In an editor, an echo is your original sound bounced right back at you. So if you're in a giant canyon and shout, "Echo! Echo! Echo!" that's what it's referring to. But the echoey noise you get when you're in a shower or a hallway is the reverb, which is what we're going to cover here. This is very useful in Machinima because you can make all your dialogue or sound effects match the kind of environment you're showing in your movie, which adds to the immersion. Alright, so let's hear what this sounds like normally. Where am I? If we add some reverb to this, I bet I'll sound really lost, so let's try that. Press Ctrl-A to select the clip. Go to Effects, Delay Effects, and if you don't see Delay Effects, that means Adobe changed things around between versions again. In which case you want to go to Reverb to get to the same submenu. And see, it's not an echo. We want to keep going. There, we want Reverb. And the first thing you'll notice is that there are several settings to monkey around with. I don't want to get too in-depth, so I'm just going to use one of the presets available. I'll go with Room Ambience. You know, I actually had to look up how that's pronounced because I didn't know if it was ambience or ambiance. And the dictionary doesn't know either. It has both in there. This explains why I was confused. Alright, I'm going to make this a little more reflective. And press OK. Now let's see what that sounds like. Where am I? That sounds about like a studio room. Not bad. With enough tweaking, though, you can make it sound like I'm in a dungeon shackled to a wall with some guy wearing an executioner's mask ready to interrogate me. All that with reverb. I'll leave you to experiment with those values, though. For now, I'm just going to move on to the next sample.